Happy Sunday, guys. Hope you're all having a great weekend so far, and I hope you guys have your coffee on deck. You know, I have my double espresso here. Cheers. I appreciate you all for tuning in as we're about to break down SoFi stock and kind of see where we're at right now heading into this brand new week. As you guys know, on Friday, we had the speech from Powell at Jackson Hole, which sent the stock market through the roof. I mean, look, the S&P went up around 1.5%. The Dow went up 2%. The Russell went up double the Dow, pretty much 4% in the green, as QQQ went up, let's see, I think around, 1.5%. Same with the S&P. So we had a crazy Friday, and SoFi went up 7%. So I kind of want to go over here where we're at, how we're looking right now, where I think we're going moving forward. And again, we'll break down the indexes, maybe some other stocks. So let's dive into it. Hit the like button. Feel free to subscribe, and let's go. So, like I said, we had the Jackson Hole speech on Friday. We all know that essentially we're going to get rate cuts. That's the reality. We're going to get rate cuts most likely in September unless something crazy happens between now and then. And the Fed's obviously telling us we're going to get another rate cut after September, before the end of this year. So the market is currently pricing in 2 rate cuts. We all know that for the most part, right? At least I hope you know that by now, right? And SoFi loves that. Obviously, SoFi loves that because, look, the business they're in, they're lending money, personal loans, student loans, mortgages, to name a few things. I mean, obviously, they're doing a lot more than just that. But lower rates is good for SoFi. Point blank simple, because it brings down the borrowing costs for mortgages, for student loans, for these personal loans that they provide. You know what I mean? It makes sense on a fundamental basis. So we are running up as of Friday. It looks like we went up almost $3 from the low to the high on Friday, from $22.90 all the way to $25.25. Let me see exactly how much that was. That was over a 10% move there. Very big move for SoFi. And if I pull up these other time frames, you guys can see obviously we're trading at highs. I mean, on the 5-day, 5-minute, with this push on Friday, we recovered all the losses from Wednesday, Thursday, because you guys probably remember we dropped down on Wednesday, Thursday, starting on Tuesday last week. So on Friday, we recovered all the losses and some. That's a very good sign. I mean, look, last week we peaked at, before Friday, we peaked at $24.80-ish, $25-ish. We hit that in the morning, I believe, on Tuesday. Then we collapsed all the way to $21. So essentially, we dropped down 15% from Tuesday to Wednesday, only to then recover all that loss Friday. I would say that's a great recovery for the bulls, and the fact that we broke over the price from Tuesday morning and we closed over it, that's a very good sign overall. Very, very, very good sign on this 5-day, 5-minute, and on the 10-day, 30-minute. Excuse me, guys. We can kind of see. Not kind of. We can see it. It's clear as day. We also closed above the highs from earlier in August. So overall, guys, what we're really seeing here is, the continuation of the breakout, or at least the start of the bigger breakout here on SoFi. And we're not, I guess, fully breaking out yet, but we're there. We're pretty much right there. And let me actually get some coffee. Hold up. Oh, man, cheers, guys. You got to get your coffee. Unbelievable. So we're not fully there yet, but look at this. The cup and handle's there, and it's about to play out. And literally, if we go up another 50 cents, I would say, that could trigger the bigger full-on breakout, which on the 4-hour chart, you can see SoFi's itching to break out. It's literally itching to break. it's already breaking out. Let's not BS ourselves here, but it's itching to go, let's say, to all-time highs. That's a better way to put it. Because if you didn't know, guys, look, all-time highs were hit about 5 years ago in 2021. I believe at $28 a share. And this cup and handle, if this plays out, we're pretty much on a one-way ticket to all-time highs. I mean, sure, I think there is a resistance around 27 something, but we're gonna get pretty close after that, in my personal opinion, guys. Here, but it kind of looks very bullish, heading into this week. Based on what I'm seeing, the cup and handle here, the big push on Friday, it just comes down to whether or not we continue to build momentum above 25 bucks. We closed above 25 on Friday. Will we gap up tomorrow? Keep your eyes on that gap up. Do we gap up to the mid 25s and start pushing 26? That would signal a serious breakout. So mark is that we're above 25.50. I just set my alert here on Sofi, guys, and look, on the 3-year chart, or the max chart at this point, we got to pull it up. We're almost there, guys. We're almost at all-time highs. The resistance I mentioned in the 27 range was back from January 2021, right? And there goes my camera. I don't know what's going on with my camera, guys. Forget it. You don't got to see my face anyway. Trust me, you don't want to. But the $28 high is the all-time high. We actually hit that in February of 2021, which, it's a stone's throw away from where we were in January of 2021. So let me see this video. What's going on, man? Luckily, my laptop is coming in, my new laptop, or there's the... let's go back to the iPhone camera. Let's see what's going on here, guys. There we go. We're back. All right. So I had to do a little reboot there. But, yeah, on the plus side, new, it says iPhone Wi-Fi disconnected. Okay, maybe the Wi-Fi got screwed up there. Maybe it wasn't the laptop for once. Maybe my Wi-Fi went out briefly. But on the plus side note, guys, new laptop is on the way. We kind of balled out on the new laptop, man. We got the M4 Max. I forget all the exact specs. It was like $3,000, man. It's gonna be great for the quality of the channel, for the workflow, for the editing, for the trading, for everything, man. I'm pumped. So yeah, it's more for me. Obviously, you won't notice much of a difference on your end, but it's kind of the Thinkorswim platform's kind of been freezing on me. I mean, my laptop's been, guys, this is long overdue, so you'll notice a little difference on your end on the videos, but man, it's going to make my workflow, my life a lot easier, and it's been a long time coming. I'm pumped about that, guys. So yeah, we'll get that in here in a couple days, but overall, that's a quick breakdown on Sofi. We're really just one leg up away from all-time highs. We're one breakout away from all-time highs, and that's with it already breaking out. Like I said, it's not like the stock's been crashing, right? It's already been breaking out, but we're one, I guess, more breakout away from just going, ballistic towards $28 a share. So I was going to break down some other stocks in this video, guys, but I kind of rambled a bit too long. We're going to wrap it up here. I'm going to make another video later today going over earnings to watch out for, other stocks to watch. We'll break down the indexes in that later video, so make sure to subscribe, follow along for more content, join the email stock newsletter is free, and check out my Patreon. Guys, if you want to keep up with my portfolio, how I'm building it, what I'm doing, how I'm beating the market right now, all of that's on Patreon, linked down below, or go to Stas Surfes, my name, STASSERFES.com/Patreon, Patreon. Go check it out, guys. And with that being said, cheers. I'll see you in the next video.